Hello everyone, welcome to NMIT YouTube channel. This video is done by Arjun Tejasvi and Ekant GP of IS Department, NMIT College. So, the picture you are viewing in the video is a vintage microphone created using Blender version 2.73. So, here there are three parts to be made: main body of the microphone and its holders, stand, and third one, cable. There is a new add-on feature called the mesh tissue, which is used to make honeycomb-like pattern on the main body of the mic, as you can see here. To begin with, first we start constructing the honeycomb-like pattern using a tool called mesh located in the add-on tube from users preferences in the file menu. To see the proper scaling of the model, we can switch from perspective to orthographic view using number 5 in the numpad of the keyboard. Okay, now we're gonna discuss which and all shapes we have used. We used different shapes like hemisphere, cylinder, circle. Now, to make our work easier, we created this model part by part. As we mentioned earlier, like first the main body, then the honeycomb like structure called the mesh. In the main body itself, we can see many separate parts like the honeycomb mesh, as I mentioned earlier, holders and the joints that holds the mic, etc. The holders are made with the 0.1 millimeter thickness. The base is made from the circle, which is scaled and resized properly to get the desired shape. Later, the cable is generated by clicking Ctrl plus left mouse button repeatedly. The cable is generated to the length as the user wishes to. Okay. So now I'm going to tell the challenges we faced during the making of the vintage microphone model. First one, this Blender software is a new thing to us, so it took us a long time in exploring its features, its strength, its capacity of creating wonderful animations and 3D models. Wow! Once we got exploring, we found amazing things. Second challenge, about making the honeycomb structure using the mesh tool. I didn't explain this above because you need to know how we face the complications in doing it. Once we are done creating a honeycomb structure, we thought it's all over, but the mesh-like design on the structure is still not done. So we looked for it and finally got the right options after a long time. So it was a seriously a big challenge. The third big challenge was the holders and joints measurements to be made exactly so that it should fit the right holes. Finally, you can see the complete rendered image of the vintage microphone here. As you can see, it is converting the geometric shape what we have designed into pixel by pixel conversion and giving us the final output. Wow, it looks amazing. Yeah. Finally, our hard work has paid. So, last but not least, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to NMIT channel